Hi, I'm Mr. Putnam,
I'm Mrs. Gehrke.
and today we're going to show you how to cross the street at a crosswalk with a set of street lights added. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gehrke, and I'm standing on the corner of 53rd Street and 12th Avenue. I'm going to show you how to properly cross the street. Normally, there would be a crossing guard standing across the street, waiting for students or adults that need supervision when crossing. When you come to the crossing area, if there is not an adult, you need to push the button. You will wait for a go sign. Right now, there is a red stop sign. When it's your turn to walk, you will see the little walking man, and you will proceed. You still need to look both ways before crossing the street. Please walk slowly. Do not worry if it starts to turn, you will have enough time. And the crossing guard has a stop sign, and she will hold it out so you can cross safely. Let's say that you need to cross another street. It's okay to press the button as well to cross the other direction. I am ready to cross because there is a walking sign. Please look both ways before crossing because vehicles might be turning. We will proceed slowly. And that is how to safely cross an intersection with traffic lights. Thanks for watching, and go Falcons!